Paid for by Nightingale for Governor 2010.
Hi, I'm Shalene Nightingale. You have more than two choices for governor. I support Prop 23, jobs, Prop 187, placing our California state military on the border, and turning back on our water in the Central Valley. Let's we the people get back to work in the state of California. You have another choice, a good choice. I'm Shalene Nightingale.
To learn more about Shalene and her stance on the issues, visit nightingaleforgovernor.com.
You know, you do have a choice.